Achilles tendon tear. Here's how Dr. Anuj Chawla repairs it. First, a small incision is made at the back of your ankle to access the torn tendon. The torn tendon ends are carefully stitched back together, often using anchors or locking techniques for added stability. Your ankle is then immobilized in a boot or cast, and rehabilitation begins to restore strength and mobility. With Dr. Anuj Chawla's expert care, most patients are back on their feet in no time. Call now for an appointment and get back to living pain-free.